Python/Json expecting property name enclosed in double quotes. I've been trying to figure out a good way to load JSON objects in Python. I send this JSON data to the backend where it will be received as a string, then I use json.loads data to parse it. But each time I got the same exception. I googled it, but nothing seems to work besides this solution, json.loads json.dumps data, which personally seems for me not that efficient since it accepts any kind of data, even the ones that are not in JSON format. Any suggestions will be much appreciated.
This is not JSON. This is JSON. Edit. Some commenters suggested that the above is not enough. JSON specification, RFC 7159 states that a string begins and ends with quotation mark. That is, single quote has no semantic meaning in JSON and is allowed only inside a string.
As JSON only allows enclosing strings with double quotes, you can manipulate the string like this. If your JSON holds escape single quotes, \, then you should use the more precise following code. This will replace all occurrences of single quote with double quote in the JSON string s, and in the latter case will not replace escape single quotes. You can also use JSBeautify, which is less strict.
This will solve the problem.
In my case, double quotes was not a problem. Last comma gave me same error message. To remove this comma, I wrote some simple code. And this worked for me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.